Reconciling Items. Any remaining reconciling items should be entered here, including any discounts, adjustments and write-offs that were not previously identified. Credit items would also be included here, such as writebacks. To identify a reconciling item, click the Add Reconciling Items button located on the top right of the page. On the pop-up, first select the ledger with the reconciling item, then choose the debtor. Select the type, in this case the reconciling item is a credit. Input the amount of the reconciling item here. Select the date here. If necessary, enter details relating to the reconciling item here. Click Save and Continue to add the reconciling item. Once you have inputted all your reconciling items, click Save and Continue to proceed to the next step, Other Reserves.